This weekend marks the unofficial start of summer. For many of us, it's time to start hitting the beach. But whether you're headed inland to the bay or aiming for the big waves out on the coast, you need to check out what Tisha Thompson and the News 4 I-team made for you to help you know exactly what's in the water.
With her red bucket and her stick,
I've actually been out when it's been colder.
you might not notice Cindy's sermon this summer.
It's 54. 54 degrees? That's pretty good.
Until you hear her laugh. Her laughter is infectious, and she has a lot to be happy about.
It's the best job ever.
Every Monday and Tuesday this summer, you will see Cindy trying not to get wiped out by the waves in Ocean City. She says it happens.
A few times.
But she's beach-bound for a very serious job. For the last 26 years, she's been using the same broom handle to dip little bottles into the surf, collecting bacteria samples to see if what's in the water could make you sick. The News 4 I-team took the results Cindy and dozens of other scientists like her have been collecting over the last 5 years to make this map showing you what they found and how often our local beaches have swimming advisories. Maryland and Delaware have some of the cleanest beaches in the nation. Delaware averages about one advisory a year, typically at Rehoboth, but didn't have any problems at all last year. In Maryland, they do have an occasional swimming advisory along the Chesapeake Bay, but Maryland's ocean beaches stretching from Fenwick Island to Assateague have never had a swimming advisory in the history of the program. This is Cindy's boss, Bob Mitchell.
The ocean is free of any problems here.
He credits a combination of how ocean currents sweep away dirty water and how they work to prevent runoff from spilling into Worcester County's waterways, along with monitoring their sewage treatment plant.
The town of Ocean City takes a heck of a lot of care on their natural environment here on the beach.
This is Kathy Brohant. She runs the federally funded beach program for Maryland's Department of Environment.
In Maryland, we no longer have any beaches near where what's called combined sewers, where the storm water and the wastewater are in the same pipe. That doesn't occur in Maryland anymore. So most of our beaches are very clean and they're not contaminated by sewage.
She says by eliminating overflows into the water, they're getting rid of one of the main sources of human waste carrying nasty stuff like salmonella and norovirus.
When you get submerged, where you have the opportunity to swallow is when you ingest bad water, it can make you ill.
That's why Cindy keeps dipping right at the spot where the waves can knock you over, forcing you to take an unexpected gulp of water. To make sure the only thing you ever catch here,
you're all done. See how hard that was?
is her laughter. All of the experts we talked to say if we have a big storm with heavy rain, everything on land that was left behind by dogs, birds, and other animals ends up in the water. So they say give it a couple of days to clear out before you head in. We did map out all of the monitored beaches in Virginia as well. You can see them all by going to our NBC Washington app and hitting the investigation section. Tisha Thompson, News 4 I-team.